USI alarms are quick and easy to install. Activating the alarm before connecting it to the AC power is very, very important. Hi, my name is Matt Mall, and today I'm going to show you how to properly remove a pull tab from a USI smoke alarm. This is very important before connecting to AC power. What you're going to want to do is take the pull tab, pull directly out, not up and not down. Once removed, you're going to push the test button and the alarm will sound. Now is the time to connect the alarm to the wiring in the junction box. When you hear a sound like this, it means the alarm was installed with AC power connected and the pull tab is not removed first. Use these tips to install USI alarms and you'll save time and eliminate service calls.